Uptown Swing Solo Jazz Routines, December 2025. You did very well. We learned new stuff. Here is the new stuff sort of broken down, and then I'll dance through the whole thing at the very end. So new stuff broken down for those of you who need it, and for those of you who weren't there who are still going to perform with us. We did Shorty George, 5, 6, 7. Shorty George, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We went out together. Shake that butt. Boogie back, boogie back, boogie back. This is our Thompson Wilder break. Out, hop down, left foot, left, right, double kick, right, left, double kick, down, hey, and cross, 5 into 6, 7, 8, touch the floor, touch your butt, twist, 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 twist. Then our interlude goes rusty, dusty, slow, slow, rusty, dusty, slow, slow, rusty, dusty, get in place. Then you turn it around. We go from the top. Blah, blah, blah. That's all the new stuff. So I'm going to dance through the whole thing. So you can dance with me at home. And don't forget, if you're watching this in time, this Thursday, before we perform next Monday, we have an open practice session at CFPA, 8:15 to 9:15. So you can come run through it there. From the tippy top, we enter with our interlude. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Get in place and turn it around. We go 1, 3, double. 2, 3, double. Boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, boo ba, boo ba. It's first time. Giddy up. Fall off the log. Twist, ba boom. Half break, other side. Twist, ba boom, half break. Shorty George, this is the new stuff now. We're doing it to mellow bit of rhythm. Boom, ba boom, hey, Thompson Wilder break. Boom, buddy got boom. Left foot, left, right, double. Right, left, double. Boom, ba-da. Ba ba da da ba ba boom boom ba ba hey ho interlude, just like we practiced, and then we're going to do the whole thing from the top. Hey ho, this is our second formation. Turn it around from the top. We run through the whole thing again. We do the interlude one more time, and then at the end of our interlude, we take our big bow, ba boom. To raucous applause.